Got Luch from the truck here, Bedford. So, hopefully, we got some videos coming on this bad bitch. Let's go inside and see what's going on. What we doing, boys?
Buying a truck.
Trying to buy a truck.
We're not trying, we're buying a fucking truck.
I don't know if we have time.
That guy's buying a truck.
Yeet.
His truck. It's like too clean. It's fucking obnoxiously clean. I can't find anything wrong with it.
Whoa, hold on, what'd you say?
I can't find anything wrong with it.
Oh.
Remind me.
You're cool. And then initial the corners.
On all of them?
Yeah. Okay. Yes, please.
Okay. And here?
Yep.
What's the date today?
Today is January 13th. Make sure you put 2020.
Okay. 2020. Alright.
Action rims and tires.
Oh yeah. This is it. This is this guy's new truck.
That's right.
We're gonna have to do a video on this guy.
Oh man.
350 a month. Wow.
Oh yeah, boys.
That's a $20,000 truck.
I know, you stole it.
Easy. Easy.
What we got?
Now
Six
you gotta
6.0? 6-speed?
606 speed.
How many how many miles?
118,000.
Man.
It's a real man's truck.
Now you just gotta trust him to take your whatever's going on.
Yeah.
I can blow it up now.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't care. I got a started truck now.
I think I heard celebration burnout is what I heard. All three of us right here. It's on in there or not? Yeah, kinda.
We got 6 feet in there.
Man.
Yeah.
Old shifter now, but
I'm gonna go get a beer and celebrate.
All right.
hell yeah. I think we're all getting beers tonight.
Hell yeah. I might not make it to work tomorrow.
Hey, yeah, you gotta pay for it somehow.
Huh?
You gotta,
What?
Nah, tomorrow's a new day. Hell yeah.
Alright. New comments for the channel? No, not really, but I wish. Thing's all bedline. It's awesome.
Fucking flat black.
Bad motherfucker.
Hell yeah, dude.
06 Mega 10.
That's a big bitch.
Fanny truck.
Whoa, didn't work.
Please start this thing up.
Got a little
Are they
action.
looking for us?
They might. Doubt it. Hell yeah.
We might buy it if we let it start it up.
Well, you will see. We'll go. See what we got, boys.
Come on.
Sit in Cindy a little bit, rev her up. Get her some sauce.
Vulture 14 now.
Hell yeah, dude. Nice.
My dream truck right here.
We buying it? do you think, Bayugan? I think we need to buy one. I know.
Obnoxious.
This is not good. This is there's not one good thing about this. Just
That's a little fucky. Fuck it.
is it?
It's supposed to last.
Who needs that?
You're like, this is not good.
You know how pissed my mom would be if we showed up in the driveway with this fucker?
Oh my god. She wouldn't even know what to do.
No, she wouldn't.
This is massive fucking truck. This might just be Bayugan's new truck. You gotta get the feel for it.
Fucking burnout.
You wanna buy it yet? Hey, it's got white cab lights. How's that light bar turn on? What's that little red button?
They don't do anything. We gotta buy this fucker. I don't know what to tell you. We have to buy this fucker. This thing. Look at it. I don't know. Can't scratch it.
Oh yeah, great plow truck.
It comes with a tonneau cover we can blow off.
Yeah.
Hey, these are legal documents. This ain't going on YouTube, bud.
So a little Privacy Act, if you want to go ahead and broadcast this real quick on today's date of when.
You guys have a great night, man. I hope to see you guys soon, man.
Appreciate it.
Come up here for that Dodge.
Thank you, sir.
Take it
Appreciate
home.
it.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it very much. You gonna follow somebody?
I'm gonna start my truck and then we'll talk about it. Hey, take it.
You get a beer, you guys boss shit all night long.
I got the other one.
Hey, hey, you gotta get in. You gotta put the clutch down.
Huh?
You gotta get in. You gotta put the clutch in the starter.
Where's the clutch with your hand?
Like a real man.
It's in neutral.
Sure. Oh, it's in neutral. So that's all you need, right?
Takes off, crashes. Hey, Kyluch. You just bought a truck, bro.
Motherfucking truck.
Hell yeah.
Probably one of the cleanest trucks I've ever seen.
Review video on it coming soon.
Boy,
This-
she is mint.
Literally
Fucking mint.
Okay, it's all the dump fucks. This is the definition of mint. Not everything. Your food is not mint. The day is not mint. Mint condition, not everything. Dumb fuckers.
That's right. Learn something. Mint. Take a light.
What we got here, Willie?
Come on, Bush Light.
A Bush Light.
A latte. I found it. I found a 6.
He calls me at work. Hey, 2.5 hours. Off 422, we gotta go to Ohio. I said, God, I've been to Ohio with you too many fucking times.
Yeah.
Nope, you gotta go, Dad. Here we are. There it is. There it is.
Oh man, I need some
Back to
Copenhagen.
PA. He needs some coke.
Oh man.
There you go.
Hell yeah. There's our sales guy's truck. 6'4". Hell yeah, buddy. 6'4", baby! You ready? Yeah, buddy. Alright. Woo! Hot diggity. I don't care. Yeah, I'll go. Alright, boys, we gotta do a celebration. sir. Baby. Fucker screams, dude! Salute! Be nice to her. Woo! What had happened? Woo! Fucking burn, boys. Now we're talking. Hell yeah. Probably could. Fuck it. Ready? Let's go. Cheers, boys.